cutting, welding or marking. Today, there's hardly no area that's not thinkable without photonics. Thanks to the state-of-the-art laser technologies and optical solutions, diverse materials can be processed successfully at the highest productivity and with outstanding precision. From emitting light through to its use, Jenoptik product sets the standard in nearly all stages of the value chain for laser material processing. We enable our customers to master their challenges with proven standard products or customized OEM products.
Hi, I'm Nico Baumbach and I'm the product manager for laser material processing. At Jenoptik, we've been supplying the laser material processing market for many years now. Our beam expanders and FTIDA lenses enable medium and high power applications up to the kilowatt range, as well as the usage of ultra-short pulse lasers. We offer a wide range of beam expander variants, so that motorized beam expanders, as well as manually adjustable and fixed beam expanders, represent a complete portfolio. Our applications are diverse and spread all over the continents. Regardless of whether the optics are designed for the UV, the visible or the infrared range, the optics are characterized by high and consistent quality and performance. Our continuously growing portfolio shows an increasing specialization for certain applications and enable our customers to achieve the best possible process results for their demanding tasks. So, what's your laser task?
Hi, my name is Steffen Reinl and I'm your contact for our Jenweld product. Do you know what Jenweld means? Let me give you a short introduction of Jenweld, our vision-enhanced laser tool. Our Jenweld laser processing head is an optical platform for laser machine integration. It combines laser beam shaping, 2D beam deflection and image processing and can be utilized for many different laser processes. The system is able to take a high-resolution image of the entire working area. In combination with our Jenweld software, the system enables a huge simplification in process development. So it offers advantages in series production as well. Our active position correction of the laser beam and the ability to assess process results directly via our integrated camera system helps you to improve your process and reduce the amount of rejected parts. If you have any further questions, please contact me directly or check out our product video.
We enable our customers to master their challenges with proven standard products as well as customized OEM products.